Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I really want to apply for that builder role in the MTR mod, and if any one of you are admins, I'll be ready to show you a super good build. And yeah, but first guys, we have to install the mods. Okay, we successfully downloaded the mods and ran Minecraft, and we are going to be testing it out. Create world. Creative and super flat creating world. Okay, almost guys, almost. Some new features, so this is stationary, and what is this weird guy here? Just metal. What is all this, guys? They are kind of cool. See, why is this guy looking at me? What the heck? Imagine 100 eyes staring at you. Can you not look at me, bro? Okay, just so there's this thing. Station name. Maybe we need to get this. I think we need to just get a normal block in the way this. Okay. Whoa. This is only part 1 where we just test out the mod, and part 2 we'll actually start building the station to prove that we can fly. Well, this board right over here. Untitled. Why does the smooth port block look like this? Let's see what's this test first. I knew it would look like that. I definitely knew. What the heck am I doing? If you enjoyed this video where we download all the mods and want to watch part 2, please like and subscribe to my channel called Crafting Horizons.